In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Granny Game on your mobile device. To do so, go ahead and first make sure that your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or cellular network. Once you are, open up your Play Store. If you're using iPhone, open up your App Store, go to the search box and type in Granny in the search box and search. Granny is a horror-themed mobile game developed and published by Developer. You'll be able to see, along with all of the chapter available. Go ahead and select the Granny game you'd like to download and tap on the install button to begin the download process. Wait until the application gets downloaded, which should only take a few minutes, depending upon your internet speed. And once the installation is completed, tap the play button to play the game. That is how you'll be able to download Granny Game on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.